Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hello, I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday the 11th. Cold out there this morning. Many spots are well down in the teens. However, a big weekend warm-up. Headlines our forecast this morning. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, downtown Fayette. They're at 17 degrees early this morning at 5 o'clock. Ouch. Up in Huntsville, they're showing 18. And even way down south, that's Greenville, Alabama. Not Greenbow, but Greenville in Butler County, where they are in the mid-20s down there in South Alabama. Still got the trough over much of the nation, but again, we're going to see that relaxing in coming days, and a big warm-up is ahead. Here's a look at temperatures this morning. As cold as 11 degrees. Mercy, up in Haleyville in Winston County. Cullman at 16. 19 for Tuscaloosa, Anniston, and Gadsden. Birmingham sitting at 20. But we should reach the 40s today. Boy, yesterday was a lot colder than guidance had expected. Many spots stayed below freezing all day. And around the country, up in the core of that cold air, it's about 15 degrees below zero. In northern Wisconsin, the frozen tundra. But look at the sharp gradient over the Dakotas, and you can see how up in Montana and parts of North Dakota, the western part, they're sitting around 32. And we'll start to see that big warm-up in coming days up in Saskatchewan, and you can see how they're in the 30s. So, again, clearly the Arctic connection is dying down. Watch warning map, quiet. QPF, quiet. That's the overall precipitation through Tuesday evening. So we'll check the modeling. This is the 06Z GFS run at noon today. A little energy coming through the Tennessee Valley, but the air's dry. It will be sunny today. And chilly, but certainly not as cold as yesterday. 43 on the GFS, 46 on the NAM. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to hit the 50s. Low and mid-50s likely. Bright sunny day to start the weekend. Sunday, good chance we see 60. And we'll sure take that. Bright and sunny, just gorgeous. Should be hard to find a decent cloud in the sky. Now, Monday, we note that a new high kind of eases in here. The GFS wants to back the numbers down a couple of degrees. We might go from 60 to 58, but I don't know if you'll notice any difference. Just be kind of a reinforcing surge of dry air. Tuesday, low 60s are likely. Wednesday, mid to upper 60s. The GFS is showing 67. Thursday, we could be flirting with 70. We note a few isolated showers maybe west of here with a weak front. And on Friday, clearly, the big trough is out west. We have ridging across Florida in the southeast, and down below that, that front might kick off a shower, but I don't know. The thing's fizzling out, no upper support. And we stay pretty mild. The GFS is showing 69 a week from today. A couple of days later on the 22nd, that's an interesting look. A zonal flow down here. The polar jet is way up north, and evidence of a dying front that might try and bring a pretty good rain event. That might be the next decent opportunity for a big rain in about 10 days. And then at the end of the forecast, at the end of the month on the 26th, there's a trough over the east, but it's not got the true Arctic connection. Notice how the ridge does not come up into the Arctic region. But if that's right, that would suggest maybe a decent rain event and a change to colder weather, but nothing cold like we have now. And again, the NAO does try and go neutral out there toward the end of the month. It's been positive and should stay positive most of this month. And again, we'll see what happens in March. March is a wild month. Anything goes here from tornadoes to blizzards. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.